Hello everybody, Matt Anderson here with this week's Monday marketing tip. And this week we're going to keep it very simple. If you're out there taking pictures and videos to help promote your business, aside from if you have a really nice camera with its own lens cleaning kit, something you should just have with you at all times is a microfiber cloth, just like this one. Especially if you're into mobile photography and mobile videography, because anytime you put your phone in your pocket or leave it out maybe at the restaurant, you can get a lot of smudges on there, you can get a lot of dust, different oils and everything on there. So if you just carry one of these around while you're going to be doing some photos and videos for your business, just give it a quick wipe off on the phone, and it can definitely help make sure that your pictures and videos turn out the way that you think they should from your camera settings. So you can look these up. They're really cheap on Amazon. You can get them about anywhere. So look one of these up, grab them, and you can bring them with you next time you go to take some photos or videos.